Question: what engines powered the first cars? An automobile is a self-propelled machine, meaning it moves without external force, such as a horse. In this sense, the first automobile in the world was a carriage driven by a steam engine, which traveled a certain distance in England in 1801. However, it soon became clear that steam engines were unsuitable for powering light street carriages. Real automobiles appeared much later. In 1876, the German Nicholas Otto built the first four-stroke gasoline engine. In this internal combustion engine, an explosive gasoline mixture in the cylinder was ignited by a spark plug. The first automobile with a gasoline engine capable of traveling a long distance appeared in 1885. Its designer was Carl Benz. The machine weighed 265 kilograms, had 3 wheels, and reached a maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour. Its single-cylinder engine had just under 1 horsepower, but weighed 110 kilograms. The first 4-wheeled automobile also ran on an Otto engine. It was built in 1886 by Gottlieb Daimler. In the Daimler-Benz factory museum in Stuttgart, you can see the so-called patented Benz automobile. This ancestor of modern cars is still operational today. All its parts are kept in exemplary condition. Question: when did the first diesel engine car appear? In 1892, the German engineer Rudolf Diesel applied for a patent for an engine named after him. This type of engine does not require spark plugs because the fuel in the cylinder ignites by itself due to high pressure. Compression ignition engines are robust and heavy. It wasn't until 1935 that the first diesel engine suitable for normal cars was invented. From 1935 to 1940, 1967 Mercedes-Benz 260D cars, the first diesel cars, were built. The car had 45 horsepower and a top speed of 95 kilometers per hour. Question: how much fuel does the most economical car in the world consume? The world champion car for fuel economy requires only 4.5 liters of gasoline to travel 2,300 kilometers. This world record was set by Japanese Masaki Oka in his car on the Silverstone racing circuit. Naturally, this super light, super small, super elegant car is not used for regular street driving. It was specially designed to set the world fuel economy record. Nevertheless, this car demonstrates the tremendous power hidden in gasoline and how carelessly we usually consume it.